Cracking the code. Complex sentences in the subject-verb pattern. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of complex sentences and how they work within the subject-verb (SV) pattern. By the end of this video, you'll be able to structure and use complex sentences confidently in your own English communication. So, let's begin by understanding what a complex sentence is. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains one independent clause, which can stand alone as a complete sentence, and at least one dependent clause, which can't stand alone. In other words, a complex sentence consists of a main idea and additional information. For example, I knew, main idea, that the cake was delicious because I baked it myself, additional information. In this sentence, I knew is the independent clause or the main idea. It can stand alone as a sentence. That the cake was delicious because I baked it myself is the dependent clause or the additional information. This clause cannot stand on its own. The subject-verb (SV) pattern is crucial in constructing any English sentence, including complex ones. This pattern simply means that a sentence always needs a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, what the subject is doing or being. In complex sentences, both the independent and dependent clauses will follow this pattern. For instance, in the sentence, I knew that the cake was delicious because I baked it myself, we have three instances of the subject-verb pattern. 1. I knew, I, is the subject, knew, is the verb. 2. The cake was, the cake, is the subject, was, is the verb. 3. I baked, I, is the subject, baked, is the verb. Now let's explore some examples of complex sentences utilizing the SV pattern. 1. She danced, SV, after she had finished her work, SV. 2. The teacher explained, SV, that the assignment was due on Monday, SV. 3. Tom believes, SV, that he will win the lottery someday, SV. In each sentence, you'll see that both the independent and dependent clauses follow the SV pattern. So there you have it, a look into the world of complex sentences within the SV pattern. Remember, practice is key to mastering this. Try creating your own complex sentences using the SV pattern, and in no time, you'll see improvement in your English language proficiency. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy learning!